How to fix Facebook profile picture not updating. So you might be in the position where you are trying to change the profile picture on Facebook, but you are not being able to. In this case, what you can do is, first of all, make sure to log into your specific account, and then move into menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. Head over to See More in Account Center. In this page, tap on Sharing Across Profiles. Your different accounts will be visible to you. Choose Facebook. If your Instagram account is already added, then all you gotta do is, you have to toggle on these options, your Facebook story and as well as Facebook post. Once it has been enabled, now you can try changing the profile picture on your Instagram account. And once it has been changed, you can click on Sync Profile Picture with Facebook. Once done, the profile picture on Facebook will also be changed, and then you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.